powder is derived from the root of the turmeric plant. It has wonderful medicinal properties and it is widely used in Indian cooking. Remedy for improved sleep. Heat a little milk, add some freshly grated turmeric or turmeric powder, add some pepper powder and boil for 5 minutes. Drink the milk before bedtime. This drink reduces inflammation, soothes the nervous system and improves quality of sleep. Turmeric has an active ingredient called curcumin, which helps reduce inflammation in the body. It can help reduce joint pain and improve mobility in people with arthritis. Turmeric stimulates bile production and reduces indigestion. Turmeric can be used topically to stop bleeding from minor cuts or wounds. It is also used for achieving better skin. It reduces the levels of bad cholesterol and risk of heart disease.